We are gathered here today on this joyous occasion to celebrate the special love that Melissa and Tobin share. It is a love based on giving and receiving, as well as having and sharing. And the love that they give and have is shared and received. And through this having and giving and sharing and receiving, we too can share and love and have and receive.
Can't wait to meet you at the altar, Bubby. I love you so much, my darling, my sugar cube, my love, my fiance. Love you forever, Melissa. Aww.
"1,042 days ago, I started a journey that would change my life forever. I accepted you to be my partner in crime, of love, my gaming buddy, my happiness, my strength, my crazy side, but most of all, my everything. Melissa, or as I like to call you, my honey bunny."
I'm so lucky because today I get to marry my best friend, my soulmate, my sugar cube, my everything. I love you so much, Bubby.
Not every day you get to see one, but you want to seize the moment and make a wish that counts. I found the shooting star and it shines ever so bright. The reason the star's moving is to show the love it's got and it can give and make the things work and go to distance to make things work. I'm happy that I saw the shooting star in the sky and see my wish come true.
We'll probably still have some hard times ahead, but if we can make it through those 2 years, I believe with all my heart we can make it through anything together. No matter what comes our way, I promise to choose you and to keep choosing you every moment of my life.
You are my star, Bubby, and my wish was going to come true, which was to have you forever and always with the aid of some hug of blue. I love you so much and can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
I promise I'll always be on your side. I'll be your biggest fan, your cheerleader, your motivation, and your reason to keep going, just like you have been for me. And most of all, I promise to love you until the end of time.
Melissa and Tobin, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and all of your family and friends, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
I couldn't be happier for the man who has my little sister. I used to rock when she was really little at my grandmother's house. And I just love you so much, and I thank you I know you're going to take such good care of her, and I'm so happy to have a brother. I love you both so much, and here's to you.
I'm really happy to see you guys so happy, and to finally meet all of you and see what an amazing life you guys are going to have to set up here for each other and your new family over here, Tobin. And I'm grateful to be a part of it. Tobin and Melissa.
actually met Tobin first, and I thought he was really, really sweet, and I was really happy when she said that she liked you too. So I'm really happy that you found each other and that you're happy and all that stuff. So she's my sister. I love my sister. Love y'all.
Just as the song said, it's just hard for me to come up with words to tell you how happy I am. And little girl, I'm proud of you. You picked a good one. There'll be a lot of prayers for you, a lot of encouragement, a lot of love. And I'll always be there for you. Both of you. You know that. I love you.
Tobin had to search the world to find Melissa, and he found her in North Carolina. I love you like a daughter, not only to Tobin and his bride, his wife, Melissa, and my daughter, but also to the entire family and friendship group here, that we just feel so warmly welcomed by all of you, and thank you so much.